Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start exercise 12.1. Okay, so this is the first video from the chapter, it's circle. So here number 1, the first problem. Find the equation of the circle 1 1 where the center is 0 2, okay, and here the radius equal to 2. So center is 0 2 and radius equal to 2. So here's the formula to find out the equation of the circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, here h and k are the coordinate of the what, of the center, okay, and r means radius. That means here h equal to 0, k equal to 2. So let's put down the value, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, that one equal to r square. So r square means here you can write down 2 square. So that means here x square plus y minus 2 whole square, that one equal to 4. Okay, so now you can write down here x square, then here y square minus 2y plus 4, that one equal to 4. So 4 4 cancel out. So here your final answer, x square plus y square, sorry, it's 4y, not 2y, it's 4y. So plus, sorry, minus 4y, that one equal to 0. Okay, now the next one, number 3. So here in number 3, center is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Radius is 1 by 12. That means same formula, x minus h means half whole square plus y minus k means 1 by 4 whole square, then here r square. So 1 by 12 square. Okay, so that means here x square minus 2 into x into half plus 1 by 4. The next one here y square minus 2 into y into 1 by 4, then here 1 by 16, that one equal to 1 by 144. 2 2 cancel out, here it's half. So that means here x square plus y square, here minus x minus 1 by 2y, then here plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, that one equal to 1 by 144. Okay, so now do one thing, here the LCM. Okay, so here the LCM will be here as 2 16 and 4. Okay, 2 16 and 4. So here's 2, then 2, then here 8, then again here 1 2 4. Okay, so again it's 4 2 8 16. So that means here 16x square 16y square minus 16x, then here 8y, next one here 4, it's 1 144. Okay, so here 8, here it's 7, then 2, it 9. Okay, so 16x square 16y square minus 16x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 1 by 9. Okay, so now multiply 9 in both sides. So it will be here 144x square, then here 144y square, then 144x, here 72y plus 45 equal to 1. Okay, so 144x square plus 144y square minus 144x, then 72y, you can here plus 44 equal to 0, because 45 minus 1 it's 44. Now divided by 4. Okay, so 144 divided by 4 it's 36x square, then here 36y square, then 36x, here it's 72. Okay, it's 18. So 18y plus 11, that one equal to 0. That is your answer. Okay, now the last one, number 1 4. So here in 1 4, here the center is minus a comma minus b. Okay, and here radius equal to root over a square minus b square. Okay, so that means here x plus a, it will be here plus whole square, then here y plus b, its whole square, and here whole square of a square minus b square, so it will be here a square minus b square, because root here, so square of root, it becomes a square minus b square. Okay, so now x square plus 2ax plus a square. The next one here y square plus 2bx, sorry, 2by, it's not x, 2by plus b square. That one equal to here a square minus b square. So a square cancel out. So here your answer, x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by, and here plus 2b square equal to 0. That is your answer. Now next, sum number 2. Determine the equation of the circle whose center 8 minus 6, which passes through the point 5 minus 2. Okay, so here the center is 8 minus 6, and which passes through the point here 5 minus 2. Okay, you have to find out the equation of the circle. So here suppose this one is the circle, and here the center is this one, suppose C. Okay, and here that point is P. So here the coordinate of P is 5 minus 2 and coordinate of C is 8 minus 6. So that means first here CP equal to, you know the formula of the distance, that is here 8 minus 5 whole square, then here minus 6, and here it's plus 2 whole square. So that means here 3 square means 9, and here minus 6 plus it's 4, so 16, that means 25, so that one equal to 5. Okay, so here radius CP equal to here 5. So now the equation of the circle, you know the center 8 6, so it will be here x minus 8 whole square, y plus 6 whole square, and that one equal to radius square. Radius square means again here 25. Okay, so now x square minus 16x plus 64, here y square 12y plus 36, that one equal to 25. So x square plus y square minus 16x plus 12y. Okay, and as here 64, so 64 plus 36 is 100, 100 minus 25, that one equal to 75. So plus 75, that one equal to 0 is your answer. Okay, now next, sum number 3. So here in sum number 3, find the equation of the circle whose center lies on the negative direction, okay, of y axis at a distance 3 units from the origin, whose radius is 4 unit. So here r equal to here 4 unit, and here the center lies on the negative direction of y axis, okay, at the distance 3 unit from the. So suppose here this one is y, you know that negative direction means this one, it's y dash. So that is the origin, the middle one, and here distance is 3 units. So 1 2 3. Okay, so distance is 3 units, that means here x equal to 0 and y equal to here minus 3. So that is the center. Okay, so center equal to here 0 minus 3. So now you have to find out the equation. It's very easy. So that means here x square plus y plus 3 whole square, and that one equal to here 4 square, that means 16. So here x square plus y square, then here 6y, and then here plus 9 minus 16, so it's minus 7, that one equal to 0 as your answer. Okay, now next, sum number 4. Find the equation of the circle which has the point minus 2 3 0 minus 1 as the opposite end of the diameter. Okay, so here this one is the circle, so its center here minus 2 3, and this one here 0 minus 1. Now you know center is the midpoint of the diameter, so first here you have to find out the center. So center equal to here minus 2 plus 0 by 2, it's minus 1, 3, then here 3 plus minus 1, it's again 2, so 2 by 1, it's 1, so center 1. Okay, now next thing you have to find out the radius. So r equal to here root over, suppose center to 0 minus 1, so it will be here minus 1 square, so it is plus 1, then here 1 plus 1, it's 2, so 2 square means 4, so that means here root 5. Okay, so here the equation x plus 1 whole square, then here y minus 1 whole square, and it's 5, root 5 square, it's 5. So here your answer, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 5, that one equal to 0. Okay, sorry, it's plus 1 plus 1 2, so here it's minus 3, not 5, 2, and here it's minus 3, that one equal to 0 as your answer. Now next, sum number 5. In sum number 5, 1. Okay, does the point here minus 2.5 and 3.5 lie inside, outside, or on the circle? Here the equation x square plus y square equal to 25. Okay, you have to find out that these 2 points, this point minus 2.5 and 3.5 is inside, outside, or on the circle. So as here the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. So if x equal to minus 2.5, then first you have to find out the square of 2.5. Okay, so it becomes 6.25. Then addition, and next one here 3.5 square, that one equal to here 12.25. Okay, so 12.25, then here plus 6 point, okay, 6.25, that one equal to here 18.25. Okay, 18.25, it's not equal to with 25, so that means this point does not lie on the circle. Okay, this point does not lie on the circle, and as this one is less than 25, so definitely it will be inside the circle, inside the circle. Okay, now number 2 here the point is minus 3 7. Okay, and here the equation is x square plus y square equal to 49. So minus 3 whole square means here 9, 7 square means 49, so 9 plus 49. Okay, that one equal to here 58, which is greater than 49, so definitely this one is outside. Okay, outside of the circle. Now next, some number here 6. Find the equation of a circle whose center is the point of intersection of the lines. First one 2x plus y equal to 4. Second one here x minus y equal to 5, and passes through the origin. Okay, so that means first here you have to find out the intersecting point of these two equations. So here y cancel out, here 3x equal to 9, so x equal to 3. As x equal to 3, then y equal to here 3 minus 5, that one equal to minus 2. Okay, so here the center equal to here 3 minus 2, and it also passes through the origin. Origin means 0 0, so that means here radius equal to root over 3 minus 0, it's 9 whole square, again minus 2 minus 0, 2 square, that means here 4, so that means here root over 13. So here your equation x minus 3 whole square, then here y plus 2 whole square, that one equal to 13. Okay, so now here x square minus 6x plus 9, here y square plus 4y plus 4, that one equal to here 13. Okay, so your final answer here x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y, that one equal to 0, because 9, 4, 13, 13 cancel out. Now next, sum number 7. So here in sum number 7, find the equation of the circle whose two diameter lie along the lines here 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, and has area 154 square meters. Okay, 154 square meters. So as here the equation, you have to find out the equation of circle whose two diameter lie on the, okay, two diameter lie along the lines. So first here you have to find out the solution of these two equation. Okay, so as here 2x minus 3y equal to here minus 12, here x plus 4y equal to 5, multiply it 2, it becomes 2x plus 8y equal to 10. So write down here 2x plus 8y equal to 10. Here 2x minus 3y equal to minus 12. So minus, it will be plus, plus 2x cancel out. It's here 11y 22. So y equal to here 2. As y equal to 2, then x equal to 5 minus 4 into 2. That means here minus 3. Okay. So that one. So here center equal to here minus 3 and 2. Now next one, area equal to 154 square meter. You know the formula of area, it's pi r square. That one equal to 154. Okay, so that means here r square equal to 154 into 7 by 22. Value of pi equal to 22 by 7, you know that. So 154 divided by 22, it's 7. So here r equal to 7. So center equal to minus 3 2, radius equal to 7. So here your equation x plus 3 whole square. Then here y minus 2 whole square. That will equal to r square. R square means 49. Okay. So now solve it and you will get your answer. So here your answer x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 36. That one equal to 0. Okay, now the last one, sum number 8. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in 8, find the equation of the circle whose center 0 minus 4, which touches the x-axis. So here the center is 0 minus 4, that means suppose if this one is the axis, here 0 minus 4, so that means here circle, this one is the circle, it touches the x-axis. Okay, this one is the center 0 minus 4, clear. So that one touches the x-axis, so definitely that will be the origin. Okay, so here the origin will be the another line, another point, okay, lie on the so you can easily find out the radius, and in that case here radius equal to here it's 0 and 4 square, so it will be here 16. So 16 square means root over 16, that means 4. Okay, so that will be here the radius. So here r equal to here 4. If r equal to 4, now you can easily find out the equation x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square, that one equal to 4 square, that means 16. So here x square y square, then here 8y and 16 cancel out, so that one equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 8y, that one equal to 0 is your answer.